Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Vlogs. Currently, Andrew and I are at Walmart because we're getting something. Because we're going to the trampoline park. Whee! What do we need?
Oh, we need bubble balls because, as you know, Justin's blew away in the desert, and then mine got shot up by a paintball gun. So, yeah, we need new ones.
Wait, what? Perfect. Bubble ball. Plus, a lot of you guys have left comments in the past wanting us to go to a trampoline park with a bubble ball and just have fun, do some goofy stuff, see what could happen, and that's what we're doing today. So we need this.
Oh, we could either get this or bring this in the trampoline park.
What, a jumpoline? I do want to try that, but maybe this will do for now. What the heck? It's October 21st. Why is that
31st, I thought.
Sorry, October 31st. Why is that? Why are they putting that sign up?
Yay!
Blue and orange.
This was the last blue one they had.
Good. And we have made it here at Trampoline World. We've been here before. But bubble ball at a trampoline place, this has not been done yet. And look, we are the only people practically here. I am excitement overload right now. I'm gonna be real with you guys. I don't think I've been this excited to jump at a trampoline place, except for now. I don't know why. Do you feel the same way?
Yeah, because there's no one here. So that's point number one. Point number two, bubble balls.
Like, literally, look at this. Doesn't this just look like fun to the max? A whole trampoline park to ourselves. Just... Sorry. Did not get that. But the last time we had fun at the trampoline park was the 24-hour one, of course. So this may be up there with it. Not quite, but there you go. There you go.
Okay, so one down, one to go.
So as you guys can see, both bubble balls are blown up right now.
Yay.
But we gotta test out the course before we go. Yeah, it works.
Okay, good to know. Quick trampoline test. Yay!
I thought about it. I can be a gymnast.
Huh?
This is a routine.
That's pretty good, but check this out. What did you just say?
Nothing.
Oh. What?
We're bringing out the bubble balls now. Trying to figure out all the different things we can do with the bubble balls. So we got that thing right there we can jump off of. Of course, we have the big trampoline bouncers and a bunch of random stuff. But Andrew's gonna start off the big bouncer, eh? Yeah. Andrew, are you ready? Yeah. All right. How fun was that on a scale 1 to 10?
That was probably like a 2.
A 2? At least you're being honest. Okay, Garrett.
I feel like Jello, man. Alright. Initial
And fire! Challenge. I have to jump in the bubble ball. Please stop.
Sorry.
Let's do this. This is gonna be bad, folks. Come on, we gotta complete this.
Dude, I almost had it, but I hit the top edge.
Landing in a bubble ball challenge.
One of us will land this.
Alright, I've camped up right here since I failed. Andrew's going again. Hope he doesn't smash into me because I'm right in front of the ball, so I have padding here, but... Redo that.
My takeoff was bad.
Oh! I backed up the perfect amount.
Oh man.
We moved the ball a little bit closer. Should be able to land it this time. Yes!
I'm stuck in here.
Yes! We're not sure what the goal of this setup is, but it was funny.
To do a cool, funny maneuver. He's gonna swing and I'm gonna hit him with the ball. Or try to. Oh, I feel.
Andrew doesn't think I can hit him off when he's swinging. We'll see about that.
Yes.
This is why I love coming to the trampoline park, because everybody has so much energy inside of them, and this is literally the most perfect place to let off energy, steam, whatever you want. And it doesn't matter what age you are either. You can have fun. And who doesn't like a good fun?
This is called the collision.
Andrew is about to attempt the first bubble ball aerial display. Andrew, take it away.
3, 2, 1.
What? Since we are at a trampoline park, we want to build a fort. The start of the fort is looking great. We found big walls, tons of pieces, and Andrew has a good idea, so I don't know what he's doing. We have made an epic looking fort here with all the supplies. This is the outside. This is the entrance tunnel. You have to go through that. What is this?
I'm making the Almagred wall.
Algrid walls.
No, Almagred.
Almagred?
I'm trying to expand this fort.
Oh, okay. This is the tunnel. It goes like this, and then this way, and that's the entrance.
We need a light though, it's dark in there, guys.
Okay. But I'm gonna take a quick peek. Wow. Yeah, it's dark in here. Today is Halloween, if you guys didn't know that. Which is why we made a haunted trampoline fort.
This is going to be a scary one.
Okay. Who's gonna go in first?
This is scary, by the way. Do you have claustrophobia?
Majorous.
All right.
This is not good. I can't see anything in here.
I see your light, but it's gone. Get.
Shine it down the hallway.
There's ghosts back there.
Shine it down the hallway, quick.
I told you, it's claustrophobia in here.
I'm coming as fast as I can.
Don't break the walls, boy.
They're already okay. Huh?
Did I scare you?
Yeah, I had no idea where you were.
See?
Wow.
Who's there?
Who keeps playing those sounds?
Did you hear that?
What was it?
I thought I heard something. What was that? What?
You need to get out of here.
Out the escape hatch. Don't. No, no, no. No, 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 no. You did it on purpose.
That's why you had to get out. It was collapsing.
You weren't lying.
Yep. Better get out.
I'm trying. I'm trying. Ow! Who said that? I'm searching for Kevin.
Here's the challenge, and you guys are gonna play with us. Andrew is going, I'm gonna go count to 30, and you have to hide somewhere in here.
30. All right. Keep an eye out for moving pieces. I have a feeling Andrew may have moved something because some things look a bit disoriented over here. What? He's over there? We're jumping in. Good thing he's not under there. But he's over here. What? Dad. He's over here. This is so hard. All of these look like shirts. Where? Ah!
Did I scare you?
That was a good hiding spot.
Thanks.
You're welcome. I have another final challenge for Andrew. He has to try and run across this whole beam on Bubble Ball. Hey, you did pretty good. Not. First person slip. Yeah. I'm not sure if today they were closed or what, but we were literally the only people in there the whole time. Yeah, it's just the middle of the day, so all the kiddies are at school.
Well, we picked the right time to come.
That was fun, guys.
Round of applause for the bubble balls.
Well, I guess that's the end of the video. Wow, that was fun. Hope it was fun for you guys to watch that video.
Yeah, we have been wanting to take bubble balls to a trampoline park for a long time. I'm so glad we were able to do it.
And thanks for all the comments, who everybody told us to do that. And don't forget to leave a like if you want us to do more videos like this.
Yeah, and maybe subscribe if you want.
Please.
All right, anyways, see ya.
Bye, guys. Oh, comment of the day. Thank you for this comment. Sorry we haven't been doing comment of the day. We are sorry. But this comment.